Subject Secretarial Practice Standard 11 Commerce. Topic number 5 Members of a company. Subpoint Termination of membership. Firstly, we know the meaning of members of a company. A person who purchases a shares of a company and whose name entered into the register of members of a company is called as members of a company. Next, the concept of termination of membership is as follows. After purchasing its own shares, the company cancels the name of the members from the register of members. That is called termination of membership. In following cases, the membership of members will be terminated. First, transfer of shares. Second, forfeiture of shares. Third, sale of shares. Fourth, surrender of shares. Fifth, lien of shares. 6. Redeemable preference shares. 7. In case of refutes the contract. And 8. In case of death, insolvency and dissolution, the membership will be closed. First, transfer of shares. It refers to the international transfer of title of It refers to the internally transfer of title of shares between one person to another person. That is called transfer of shares. Only existing shareholders can transfer their shares to the another person. Second, forfeiture of shares by the company. Forfeiture of shares is refers to as the situation when the allotted shares are cancelled by the issuing company due to non-payment of subscription amount as requested by the issuing company. Third, sale of shares by members in buyback offer. Buyback of shares is the repurchasing of own shares by a company. In simple words, buyback is nothing but a company buying back its shares from the existing shareholders. The buyback offer price is usually higher than the market price of shares. Fourth, surrender of shares to the company. Surrender of shares means the return of shares by the shareholders to the company for cancellation. If the shareholders are failed to pay the remaining subscription on shares or having any dispute with the company, then he surrender his own shares to the company. Fifth, lien of shares. If the company prevent to shareholders about selling and transfer or transmission of shares to another company, then it is called lien of shares. Lien of shares in case of the shareholders fail to pay the remaining subscription of shares or shareholders having any debt, it means loan from the company, that is called lien of shares. 6. To hold redeemable preference shares. Redeemable preference shares means those shares which is redeemed, it means returned to the company. Redeemable preference shares having specific period and after that the company get the ownership from the shareholders. 7. Refutes the contract of membership. If the members are cheated by the wrong statements in the prospectus, then he cancel the agreement with the company. In that case, the membership will be closed. 8. In case of death, insolvency of members and winding up of company, the membership of members will be terminated automatically.